Hello techies, this is Miguelina Betty, aka Catwoman from Tech Valor, and in this video I'm going to try out the feature called the Face Unblur. Now Google says that this isn't something that I need to install, that is already in the Pixel 6a, so let's try it out. So I'm just going to slowly move my head. And now I'm going to do it fast. Now I'm going to clockwise. And now let's shake really hard. Alright, let's see how the pictures turned out. Okay, that came out blurry. I shook really hard on that one. This one, oh, this one came out good. See, this one, oh, came out good. Alright, this one's a little bit blurry, but it's okay. Oh, this came out good. Came out okay. Alright, so this is the feature with the face unblur. And it looks like it does really well with slower movements than really fast movements. And I hope that this demonstration helped you guys out. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Catwoman out!